Now our first one will be the fourth runner-up. Now to assist us in awarding, sino po ang mag-a-award? Ayan. Okay, now ayun po, so tinatawagan po namin si Sir Mark, one of our judges, to assist us in awarding. Our winners will be receiving a sash, a crown, a plaque, and a cash. Okay, now, at syempre po, tinatawagan din po si Kapitana to assist us. Okay, again, we are going to start awarding our fourth runner-up. Our fourth runner-up with an average score of 94.8 is none other than candidate number... Congratulations to candidate number... Candidate number 6, Janica Gonzaga. Ayun po, palakpakan po natin. Congratulations, candidate number 6. Alright, so now let's proceed to our third runner-up. Now we are requesting one of our judges, Ma'am Dayan, together with Kagawad Myla Carlos, to assist us in awarding. It's the same thing, our winner will be receiving a sash, a cash, a plaque, and yun po, a cash. Okay po. Now, our third runner-up is candidate number... Our third runner-up is candidate number... That is right, candidate number 5, Asaj Claire Cabigas. Tatlo na naman po ang natitira. Ngayon po ay ang ating second runner-up. Ngayon po ay tinatawagan po one of our judges, Sir Boydel. Kasama po ang ating barangay kagawad, Sir Kenneth. Yes po, Honorable Kenneth Gapay, to assist us in awarding. Our winner will be receiving a sash, plaque, and of course, crown and a cash. Our second runner-up is candidate number... with an average score of 95%. Congratulations to candidate number... Anong numero po? Candidate number 4. Congratulations to our candidate number 4. Ayan, dalawa na lamang po ang natitira. Maghawakan na kayo ng kamay. Ayan. Ngayon po, para po ma-highlight ang ating Miss Karamutan 2025, ang i-announce ko po ay ang ating winner. Again po, ang i-announce ko ay ang Miss Karamutan 2025. Now, sa mag-a-award po sa first runner-up, maaari na po pumunta dito sa may harapan. One of our judges, we do have Miss Perez po to our judge. For the first runner-up, kasama po si Kagawad Kasim. Now po, para naman po sa ating Miss Karamutan, tinatawagan po ang ating reigning queen together with our Binibining La Paz, Miss Charisse. And of course, kasama po si Kapitan Aurelio Tagasa. Okay po. I-check ko po ulit at baka magkamali po ako. Wag naman sana. Okay. Okay. Now po, para malinaw, bago ko po i-announce, ang tatawagin ko po muli ay ang ating Miss Karamutan 2025. Ibig sabihin po, ang hindi ko matatawag, automatic siya po ang ating first runner-up. Ang unang a-awardan po natin na bababa ay ang first runner-up. Okay po? Then, may iwan po sa taas ang ating title na tatawagin ko. I believe klaro naman na po. Alright, so now, people of Barangay Karamutan, tulungan niyo po ako. Our Miss Karamutan 2025 with an average score of 98% is none other than candidate number. Pakisigaw, anong numero po? Candidate number 8. Miss Nicole Pantao. And our first runner-up is candidate number 3, Miss Eliza Tagasa. Ayan po. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Muli po, palakpakan naman po natin our winners for tonight. Maraming salamat po. And once again, our Miss Karamutan 2025 is none other than candidate number 8, Miss Nicole Pantaho. Muli po, in behalf of Barangay Karamutan, maraming salamat po sa ating mga judges, barangay officials, to all of our sponsors, at syempre po sa ating tabulators, to all of our suppliers, at maraming salamat po sa lahat na dumalo ngayong araw na ito.
Congratulations and celebrations. This is the moment of your dedication. Cheers to the